Namaskara. Today's my subject is Morulaya, who cremated 6,707 unclaimed dead bodies and made world record. Today, I am going to tell you about an inscription which mentions the most humanitarian, compassionate work carried out by an individual recorded in the human history. This inscription, written in Old Kannada language on a stone slab with a sculpture, is erected in the premises of the Chandrasekhara temple in Guttal village of Haveri district, Karnataka state of India. According to the information provided in this inscription was written and erected on the day of Bhadrapada Shukla Panchami, Vikari Nama Samvatsara. This date corresponds to the August 18th, 1539 of the Common Era. During this time, Guttala village was under the administration of King Achyutaraya, who was the successor of Krishnadevaraya of famous Vijayanagara kingdom. The sculpture portrays a person by name Muralaya having beard with sacred ash lines on his forehead, indicating he belongs to a Shaiva sect, holding a bamboo basket with two carps with one hand and carrying a chamara, that is a ceremonial fan, in the other hand. A Shivalinga is carved next to him, sanctifying the act done by him. The inscription comprises of the 20 lines on the right side of the sculpture and 13 lines on the left side of the sculpture, totaling 33 lines in Old Kannada script. These lines provide precise historical details including date, event, and individuals involved in the action. The reign of King Achyutaraya was marked by internal conflicts and regional instability, including famine and epidemic, diseases, and outbreaks. The reign of King Achyutaraya was marked by internal conflicts and regional instability, including famine, epidemic, disease outbreaks, and other calamities. A devastating famine and epidemic struck the kingdom in 1539 of the Common Era. As indicated in the inscription, in year 1539, climatic and agricultural distress was seen across parts of the peninsular India. Due to famine and epidemic, a lot of people died and bodies were unclaimed and were left to the nature. There were not enough people to cremate these bodies. Muralaya cremated 6,307 unclaimed bodies with full rights as an act of punya, that is, meritorious service dedicated to local religious and spiritual head and his guide, Guru Pattada Tippeswamy. The inscription does not portray Muralaya's work as a boastful achievement, but as an humanitarian act of pious devotion and dedication, suggesting a deeply rooted cultural and spiritual sense of duty. This is the unparalleled inscription in the world, with the rare combination of sculpture with great humanitarian act, which is neither political nor royal in nature, but purely compassionate in all aspects. Dr. R. Srijeshwara, Director, Karnataka State Department of Archaeology, Museums and Heritage, Kamlapura, Hampi, Karnataka State, with support from Dr. Ravikumar K. Navalgund and Dr. Chamraj Kamar has studied and explained this great unique inscription in detail. There are some unique inscriptions in Kannada language without any parallels in the world, including one belonging to the 7th century Common Era, which trolls an individual. We will know about this inscription in detail in next video, which is perhaps the first public troll in the entire world. Thank you and goodbye.